Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to merge text and image in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and type text. Type anything. Skip. Okay, then see this text. Press Ctrl Z, duplicate layer. Hide example. Click Effects, Stroke, and position inside. And stroke color again white color. And increase the stroke size. Blend option, fill opacity 0. Again click the stroke and increase your size, text size. Okay, then again inside create a layer mask. Select the brush tool. Use black and white. Okay, and use black. Then added shadow. Hold control. Hold control shape. Then right click on your mouse. Merge layer. Sorry, again hold shift, hold control, press E, then merge text and image. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.